What's going on, guys? Today I have the pleasure here to unbox the Boost Max. This is probably the biggest phone available for prepaid services. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here at the box before we go ahead and do the unboxing. So as you guys can see, they offer, of course, monthly unlimited service with shrinking payments, unlimited talk, text, and data with select plans. It's through Sprint, 3G and 4G LTE network, no contracts. Let's take a look at the back. They just give you a couple of instructions here on how to activate the phone and pick a plan. If we open the box right here, there is a quick preview at the phone. As you guys can see, it's a massive 5.7-inch display. And then they provide some of the specs right here. So let's go ahead and unbox it, get the phone out of the box, and I want to give you guys more detailed specs and show you guys the phone around. Hopefully we can turn it on. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing now. Alright guys, so here's the phone. As you guys can see, it comes with a travel charger. And of course the USB cable. Let's take a look at here, the USB cable. Looks like it's a pretty good size. And here's the connector. Pretty simple, plain connector. It doesn't have any branding or names or anything like that. So let's put this here back in the box. Other than the charger, looks like this is some tool here to get access to the SIM card, as you guys can see right there. So let's take a look at the phone. We have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and peel this off and see if we can turn it on. First, let me show you guys the phone around. So as you guys can see, it looks super nice. Very nice finish. We have this kind of like aluminum brooch material. And it's actually not shiny. It's kind of like a matte aluminum brooch material. With this other dark gray color on top and at the bottom. Right here on this side we see the power button, and it looks like this is actually a dedicated camera button right there. That's really cool. Of course, here on top we see the front-facing camera. Down here at the bottom we see the home menu and back button. Here on this other side we see the access to the micro SD card, and right here we see the volume rocker. Here's a USB port. Right here on the back we see the 8-megapixel rear camera with flash. And of course at the bottom we see a pretty big size speaker grill, or speaker. Not quite sure what this is right here. And we see right here another microphone, and then on top we see the 3.5mm audio jack. Again, as you guys can see, looks really nice with the dual tone. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see the boot up animation. And there we go. And just to give you guys some of the specs, so we have a 5.7-inch screen diagonal with a resolution of 1280 by 720. So this is 720p display. It's not a full 1080p. PPI is 258 PPI or pixel density. The display is IPS LCD display. Again, the rear camera, it's 8 megapixel with flash, and it can shoot a video in 720p. As far as the processor, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 Adreno 305, dual core 1.2, 1 gig of RAM. As I already showed you guys, we get access to a micro SD card, up to 64 gigabyte. And as far as the battery life, the phone comes with a 3200 milliamp battery, estimated at 16 hours talk time. Of course, we get Bluetooth 4.0, USB 2.0 connectivity right here. And those are basically the main specs. So here's the first look, guys, at the phone. Looks like it's gonna go through the activation process and all that. So I'm gonna cut the video short later. Oh, here's the main screen. If you guys want to take a look, the display looks actually pretty nice. Here's to give you guys an idea in terms of the size of this device. It's pretty big. My hands are pretty big. So here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 next to this phone. As you guys can see, they both have the same size display, 5.7 inch. On the Note 3 we have a full 1080p display. And here is also another phone, one of the biggest phones available, the Htc One Maxx. The Htc One Maxx is 5.9 screen size, and looks actually just a little bit bigger than the Boost Max. So there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for the full review. Again, this is the Boost Max, the massive 5.7 inch screen size phone. Probably, again, like I said, probably the biggest phone available right now with a prepaid service. I haven't seen anything this big for prepaid services. A really good looking phone. So guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for the full review and more videos. One more time, this was the Boost Max with Boost Mobile. Thank you.